Girl, you got that thing, got that thing.
He piki ngā wairua mā te kaiwaiata Māori a hone Hurunui.
He kakarawa ki te tuapopo. Yeah, my band and I are real pumped. We've been practicing for over 2 months now, trying to get ready for this big day.
Kua waiata ia ki ngā kaupapa maha, engari he taumata anō a kotahi aroha.
I've opened for Sammy J, Catch a Fire, Nijam Festival. Yeah, those have been like big, but this is definitely the biggest, 30,000 or 20,000 people there, so this will be definitely an eye-opener and this, yeah, be crazy. We're like just pumped, some of the boys are nervous. Most of the boys like first major concert, normally they do like weddings. So we've just been practicing, late nights, and yeah, it's crazy.
I āta wānanga a hone me tana pēne ki te rārangi waiata mo te kono he tenei.
Obviously all my originals, and then I've got some like classic R&B stuff that everyone will know, so just trying to work with the crowd, everyone.
We got a bit of a way to go, but all of the boys, we have like good chemistry together as a band. And yeah, hopefully we just, make it work on the day.
Ka tahi anō ia kia whakataka I tētahi waiata hau, ko if it's on.
So I'm working on a music video at the moment actually. That's what you gotta know. It's a vibe. Summer vibes, whānau vibes. Well, I'm self-managed, so it's a good way to learn, because some people just get their managers straight away, but I'm just trying to, learn the scene, how to organise my own stuff. I think being self-managed is hard, but it's good learning.
Kua nei ka ia te kaupapa o One Love, he oi, he ha te whainga hou.
For New Zealand, I'll hopefully get on, homegrown R&B or R&A. Hopefully keep performing at One Love if they, still want me. Internationals, and my next goal is definitely Promised Land this year. So yeah, Promised Land, I want to be there.
Ka tū a hone I mua I te mininga nui o One Love a pōpō, a te kaumai I te rua karaka. Halle Taite-Pitama, Tahu News.